10 amazing facts about Ruchi Sawan. First, Ruchi Sawan is an Indian actress and social media personality. Second, Ruchi Sawan was born on 26th May 1992 in Nagpur, Maharashtra, India, to a Hindu family. Third, she was raised in Delhi, where she did her schooling at Ramja School, Pusa Road. Then she enrolled herself at Mirinda House, Faridabad, and received a graduate degree. Fourth, with Sony TV series Pyar Ka Bandhan, Ruchi kicked off her acting journey in 2009. Fifth, in 2012, she made a guest appearance in the crime series Crime Patrol and Fear Files. Sixth, in 2013, she got her first lead role as Devika in the TV series Ghar Aaja Pardesi, aired on Sahara One. Seventh, Ruchi got big success in her acting career in 2017 by casting in the Zee TV serial Kumkum Bhagya, which was later renamed Kundali Bhagya. Eighth, Ruchi made her movie debut in 2019 by playing the minor role of Soryabai in the Marathi film Fatte Shikast. Ninth, since then, she has appeared in one more movie titled Pawan Khind, released in February 2022. 10th, apart from movies and TV series, Ruchi has appeared in the TV reality and stunt show Jun's Marathmoli as a contestant. Subscribe the channel.